Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. watchOS 9 or newer, iPhone fully updated, and both devices using the same Apple ID. Once done, install Clockology on your iPhone and grant files and iCloud Drive access so faces can sync. Download the Clock or compatible face packs into files under iCloud Drive Clockology. Make sure Bluetooth is on and devices are near each other. This speeds transfer. These actions set up the pipeline so you can push custom faces to your Apple Watch Ultra. You import a face by opening Clockology and choosing the import option, then selecting the file from Files. Once imported, preview it on your iPhone. Next, tap into Layers to edit complications, fonts, colors, and time zone offsets. Use scaling and snap guides to fit the Ultra's display. Once you're happy, enable the Watch app mirroring for Clockology and toggle Always on Display where appropriate. These steps let you tailor the face visually and functionally, so it behaves correctly on the Ultra. You deploy the face by tapping Send to Watch. Confirm any prompts on the Ultra and allow transfers. Once transferred, add the face via the Watch app or force press the Watch face picker and select the new face. If it fails, restart both devices, verify iCloud sync is healthy, and resend. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth fixes stalls. If problems persist, back up your faces, then reinstall Clockology or reset sync data. This preserves your work while clearing corrupted sync states so you can finish setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.